Let's learn a straight line or a curve with a single stroke. This is the basic for any drawing, not just for oil pastel, but it's a huge topic. But I'm just going to touch about only straight line and curve with a single stroke. Right, straight lines are nothing but just connecting dots, right? So we'll be just connecting dots. This is straight line, but it's not a single stroke, right? Because I just moved my hand, so it's not a single stroke and it's not straight as well. So there's a technique you can create straight line with a single stroke. Let me tell you how to do that. So the first rule is you can use your wrist. It has to come from your shoulder or elbow. So you can rest your wrist. Okay? So I'm not resting. There's nothing from my wrist. You see, my wrist is not moving at all. So I'm not doing this. I'm doing this. So it has to come from the shoulder or the elbow. So you can put like, it needs a lot of practice. You can just put like 2 dots and then you can just keep doing this, and slowly you can bring down your pencil or your pastel, whatever it is. Now keep doing it, and then you will get it. You are not doing this anymore, right? Rather we are doing it. This is a single stroke straight line from left to right. You can create about 8 different strokes with this. This is left to right. You can do it like right to left, top to bottom, or bottom up, diagonals. So you can create at least 8 strokes with this. It needs a lot of practice, but it's going to be the super basic for your drawing. Okay, so you need to keep practicing this, all different 8 strokes, right? It needs a lot of practice. Even like experts, they do warm-ups with these kind of single strokes, right? The next single stroke is what? Drawing curves. Again, it's all about connecting 2 dots, right? But for drawing curves, you need to rest your wrist. It has to come from your wrist. You're going to rest this. You're going to move your wrist. You're going to connect 2 dots with your wrist. You can see my wrist moving, right? Again, it's the same. You can like straight away do it. You can just do like a few times, and then you can slowly bring your pencil down, right? So for straight lines, it has to come from your elbow or shoulder and shouldn't rest your wrist. And for drawing a curve, you need to rest your wrist and you're going to connect it with your wrist, right? So these are the very basic stroke techniques for any drawings. Okay, if you can expert in these 2 strokes, you should be able to draw pretty much everything. And you can do at least like 10 strokes with curves, single stroke curves. So left to right, right to left, diagonals, bottom up, up down. So I can do it the other sides. So you can create at least 10 strokes with this, right? So 8 strokes with straight lines and 10 with curves. So these are going to be super basic for any drawing. So if you want to draw something, it's the basic. You need to practice these 18 strokes. Alright, so now let's try to draw a tree with these 2 strokes. See, I'm going to draw the base, the trunk. So I'm going to connect them first. See, from here to here. If you can do like one stretch like straight lines, I ask you to do it in shorter ones. Okay, put your dots and then just keep connect them. So I'm going to do like one stretch, okay, and I'm going to do one more here. Okay, and then you're going to take until here. You can branch them out, right? When you branch them out, it's going to be a little small, and then you can do it from here right? We will branch them out from there, right? Then we can add leaves with stippling or scumbling techniques, right? And then you can make the base little big from here. And then we can add details. You can make the branches little big at the start and then make them small when they go up, right? Should be easy if you practice your straight line. Now let's do the same with curve. So because tree is not going to be always straight, right? So let me show you how to do it with curves. So I'm going to do a little curve like until here. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to bend them again. So as you go, you can make them small, right? And then you can branch them out from here. Right? And then it's up to you how you branch them out from here. It doesn't have to be single stroke. I mean long single stroke. You can just break them into small, then you can do it until here and then you take it from there. Or you can do it one stretch if you practice them, right? There is another way I can teach you if you think drawing curves is a little tough compared to straight lines. Let me teach you this technique. You can raise this and you can just hold your pencil and you can just turn your papers. Rather than doing it with your wrist, just put your pencil, okay, press this, put your pencil down and you can just turn your paper, right? The curves will be pretty perfect. Another way, if you can use this, you can use your small finger. You can rest your small finger. You can rest your small finger, again hold the paper and you can just rotate the paper. You can do the curve. It's up to you, whichever you think is easier. You can use your wrist or you can use this bone here or you can use your little finger. If you think all three are not easy, there's one more technique as well, like a compass. Now you can use this. Now you can hold one pencil or pen, whatever, and you can just rotate and you can do a curve, or you can even do a full circle on freehand, right? So you need to practice these two strokes, about 18 of them. So you need to keep practicing them to start drawing or start to add drawings into your oil pastels sceneries.